Oi, gente! Hoje é o dia. Bem, eu tô aqui, ó, fazendo gelatina. Vou fazer uma festa igual festinha de criança, com gelatina, pipoca. Eu já recheei o bolo, já tá na geladeira. E eu vou fazer as outras coisinhas também. E aí, depois do almoço, eu vou montar a decoração. Aí eu vou montar ela todinha pra vocês verem. Até lá! Gente, eu tô aqui, olha, esse aqui é o bolo que eu fiz, né? Eu tô terminando aqui, preenchendo aqui. Mas eu, assim, eu não sou boleira, então, assim, eu ia fazer com acabamento de chantilly, mas pela experiência de ontem não vai dar certo. Então, eu vou colocar o acetato mesmo, botar o acetato para poder estar confeitando ele. Gente, ó, coloquei aqui o acetato, né? Tô fazendo acabamento aqui. Eu vou colocar aqui, ó, vou imprimir, tá? O tema, né? Vou imprimir o tema. Eu espero que, bem, aparentemente ele está bonito, né? Vamos ver o gosto. Bem, olha, já pitanguei aqui em cima. E agora é só fazer as outras coisas. Bem, gente, assim que ficou a decoração. Olha, aqui tá o paraquedista. Eu só passei, botei o camuflado só por dentro, tá? Porque eu não tinha mais tecido. Mas aí virado assim não dá nem pra perceber. Olha bem. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezed till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Lá eu pendurei uns aviãozinhos, ó, ali. Tem outro penduradinho ali. Aqui embaixo eu ainda vou colocar samambaia, que eu esqueci.
Tá devendo,
a gente aqui esperando, Não tem telefone.
Paraquedista chegou. Nossa!
E aí?
Nossa!
Caralho, show de bola. Caramba, maneiro.
Aí você pulando aí.
Eu não pulo não, salta. Maneiro, pô.
Eu vou lá em casa agora.
Gostou, né?
Show de bola.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they're scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep on this